Hey everyone, thanks for tuning back in today. We're doing a product review on the Hiker 901 Grommet Press. This retails for about $2.99 is about what I've seen it online. The first time I saw this was a trade show. I used to have a real cheap Grommet Press. It was like 49 bucks from a website. It was a green one. But problems that I would have with it is it would crush the grommet, it would tear the banner. It just really would not give you a good seal on it all the time. This one here is 17 pounds. It's got a length of 14.5 by 6, and with the arm fully extended like this, you're looking at about 25.5 with it fully extended. And the down position, I believe it's 13 inches. It comes with removable dies. It's got a quick little thumb screw here, and you can pull this right out. You can change these out. This die we're using here today is a number 4. The grommet, it's a number 2. The grommets is a number 2 nickel. These things are pretty sweet. I'll show you one here real quick. One of the things you'll notice with this is it's really easy to adjust the height to your substrate. If you're doing something like a corrugated board, you'll just stick your grommet piece here on top, one there on the bottom. You can easily adjust it to any height. This is just a piece of regular coroplast, and you'll notice that it doesn't crush your material. It's smooth. It gives you a real good clean grommet every single time. Highly recommend this thing. One of the best things that what sold me on it when I saw it is we do a lot of Max Metal Alumacore. This is I think this is a 4mm Alumacore on here. It's got aluminum on both sides, and man, I never seen a thing that would just punch through this material like butter, man. This thing is pretty sick. I'll do a quick demo here for you. No punch right through this. Look at that. Quick, clean, doesn't bend your aluminum. I tell you what, man, when I saw that, I was sold on it. If you want to get into the specific on it, it goes as eyelets, as small as 1/16 inside diameter, all the way to a number 5 die, which would be 5/8 inside diameter. As far as for banners, we do tons of banners with this thing. You can do a single banner. This is a piece of a 13-ounce banner, and I got a piece here. This is about 8 layers of 13-ounce banner. You can adjust this up, bring it up a little bit, and it's going to go through there with no problem at all. I mean, this thing will not let you down. So if you're looking for a good grommet press, check out the Hiker 901, and thanks for tuning in.